Imagine this: true financial freedom. It's not just a dream, but a reality that can be achieved with the right mindset and planning. Picture yourself on a serene beach, the sun setting and the worries of the world melting away. This is the life you can have. Picture this: waking up without a single money worry, the first rays of sunlight streaming through your window, and you greet the day with a smile, knowing that your finances are in perfect order. No more sleepless nights or anxiety about the future. That's right, no more stressing about bills. That's financial freedom. Imagine the relief of seeing a stack of paid bills, knowing that you have the resources to cover your expenses and more. It's about having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. It's about having choices, traveling the world, pursuing passions, and exploring new horizons. Whether it's a spontaneous trip to a far-off destination, dedicating time to your art, or hiking through breathtaking landscapes, financial freedom opens up a world of possibilities. Or simply enjoying life at your own pace. Imagine brunches with friends, lazy afternoons by the pool, or getting lost in a good book in your favorite cozy corner. It's about savoring the moments that matter most to you. No more being chained to a paycheck. Financial freedom means breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and having the flexibility to work on your own terms. It's about finding joy in what you do and not being tied down by financial constraints. Financial freedom means different things to different people, but it always includes the ability to pursue your passions. Whether it's gardening, cooking, playing musical instruments, or any other hobby, it's about having the time and resources to do what you love. But it always boils down to one thing: control. Control over your finances, your time in your life. It's about making informed decisions, investing wisely, and having the confidence to navigate your financial journey. You're in the driver's seat calling the shots on your money, not the other way around. Imagine the satisfaction of driving a luxury car, knowing that you earned it through smart financial choices. It's about taking charge and living life on your own terms. True financial freedom is within your reach. First things first, let's talk about your budget. It's the foundation of your financial health, the bedrock upon which you can build your dreams and secure your future. Without a budget, you're essentially navigating your financial life blindfolded. Yeah, it might sound boring, but trust me, it's your secret weapon. A well-crafted budget can transform your financial situation, giving you control and clarity. It's not just about numbers, it's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you and ensuring that your spending aligns with your values and goals. Think of it as a roadmap to your goals, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or simply achieving financial peace of mind. A budget helps you chart the course. It's your financial GPS, guiding you step by step. Need to save for a down payment? Budget it in. By allocating funds specifically for your down payment, you can steadily work towards home ownership without feeling overwhelmed. Want to finally take that dream vacation? You guessed it, budget for it. Setting aside a little each month can make that dream trip a reality without dipping into your emergency fund or going into debt. Start by tracking your income and expenses. This is the first step in understanding your financial habits. Knowing where your money comes from and where it goes is crucial for making any meaningful changes. Then, create a plan for your money each month. This plan should reflect your priorities and goals. It's not set in stone. It can and should be adjusted as your circumstances change. Tools like budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet can be lifesavers. They help you stay organized and on track. Many apps offer features like expense tracking, goal setting, and even alerts to keep you accountable. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and financial goals. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and stay motivated by keeping your eyes on the prize. Educate yourself continuously. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you will be to make smart decisions. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to financial advisors who can offer personalized guidance. Ultimately, a budget is about creating a life of financial freedom and peace of mind. It's about reducing stress and anxiety related to money, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. So, take control of your finances today and make budgeting your power move. Debt, especially high interest debt, like credit cards, is like a financial anchor dragging you down. It can feel overwhelming and never ending, making it hard to see a way out. The constant pressure of mounting interest can make even the smallest purchases seem like a burden. It's time to cut that anchor loose and set yourself free. Imagine the relief of not having that weight on your shoulders. By taking decisive action, you can start to regain control over your financial future. Start by tackling your highest interest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, helps you save money on interest in the long run. It might take some time, but every payment brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Another effective strategy is the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. This psychological boost can be a game changer, keeping you motivated as you see your debts disappear one by one. Once you're out of debt, except maybe a mortgage, stay that way. Celebrate your achievements, but also remember the hard work it took to get there. Use this experience as a lesson to avoid falling back into old habits. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Be cautious with credit card offers and loans that seem too good to be true. They often come with hidden fees and high interest rates that can trap you in a cycle of debt. Remember, living within your means is key. Create a budget that reflects your income and expenses and stick to it. Prioritize your needs over wants and find joy in the simple things. Financial freedom isn't just about having more money. It's about having peace of mind and the ability to live life on your own terms. Now let's talk about making your money work for you. Investing might sound intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. When you invest, you're essentially buying a piece of something that you believe will increase in value over time. Think stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key is to invest in assets that have the potential to appreciate in value, generating passive income and building long-term wealth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification 101. You've heard the saying, right? Well, it's true for investing too. Don't put all your money in one stock or one type of investment. Spread it around. Diversification is like having an investment insurance policy. It helps reduce risk by spreading your investments across different asset classes. If one investment takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. Financial fitness. Keep learning, keep earning. The world of finance is constantly changing, so it's important to stay informed. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, be a sponge for financial knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions with your money. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Watch out for financial landmines. Financial pitfalls are everywhere, but you can avoid them with a little awareness. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Impulse purchases can also derail your financial progress. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it or if you're just giving in to temptation. From zero to hero, a success story. I've seen countless people turn their finances around, and it's always inspiring. Take Sarah, a single mom who was drowning in debt. She started budgeting, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and got serious about paying off her debt. Fast forward a few years, and Sarah is now debt-free, owns her own home, and is saving for her kids' college education. If she can do it, you can too. Patience, young grasshopper, the rewards of discipline. Building wealth takes time and discipline, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals and keep making smart choices with your money. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process, celebrate your wins, and learn from your mistakes. Your financial adventure starts now. What are you waiting for? Take control of your financial future today. Start by creating a budget, tackling your debt, and exploring investment opportunities. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. It all starts with taking that first step. So go out there and make it happen. Subscribe now for more tips and strategies to master your financial future.